In this tutorial, we define geometric points and show how to construct points using the Desmos geometry tools. This is a point. A point is a location in space. A point has no size or dimension. You'll often see a dot representing a point. What the dot represents is the location of the point. The Desmos geometry tools allow you to create points. Here's how to create a point using the Desmos tools. From the geometry window, click on the Point tool. Move to the blank canvas and click once. This is a point. Click on the Selection tool. Click and drag on the point to move it to a different part of the screen. Construct another point and place it near the first point. Let's label the points. Click on the Selection tool and then click on one of the points. Notice the options that come up on the left. Click on the Label checkbox and note the label on the point. Repeat with the second point. You've now constructed points A and B. You can also change the labels on the points. See if you can construct this set of points. Let's start a new document. Click on this button and select New Construction. Click on this tool and click on Show Grid. See the background grid that looks like graph paper? Construct 4 points like the ones shown here. The 4 points rest on the same background line. That makes these points collinear. We'll cover the properties of lines in a separate video, but for now make a note that collinear points can all be connected by one line. Now rearrange the points to look like this. Do you think these 4 points are collinear? No, these 4 points are not collinear, but any pair of them are. Points are important because they can help define a shape. Arrange the 4 points as shown here. What shape do these 4 points form?